Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fantastic. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Indian English Master. Today in this video, friends, I have taken two words, emigrant and immigrant. Emigrant and immigrant, they both sound similar, they have similar meaning, so they are very confusing. So I am going to be clearing the confusion in the very simplest way. So after watching this video, you will not repent on it. So let me begin. Immigrant and emigrant both are used when you are talking about going from one country to the another country. Means you are going from your old country, home country, to live in the another country. Okay, so these are used in this scenario when you're moving from one country to another. So let me put it in a very simple way. When you are an emigrant, that means you are leaving or exiting your own country. Okay, suppose I'm in India and I'm going to America. So I am leaving from India, I am exiting India. So from India, in the perspective of India, I am an emigrant from India. But if I have arrived in America, so I have arrived in a new country which is America. So in the America, with the perspective of America, I am an immigrant, right? So I think you are getting something. From India I was leaving, so I am an immigrant, and I have arrived in the new country. Now I am in America, so I am an immigrant. This is the simple thing, friends. And if you don't understand still, please comment me below. I think this video will clarify that confusion. And thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye.